Good afternoon and welcome to Cookham Station. The videos you're about to see next are videos of the level crossing beeps. Well, I say beeping. It is broken, so it sounds.
Well, that alarm's broken. That alarm's fine.
It sounds like you're being tortured.
A very fast fire alarm.
But yeah, you get DWR services going from Maidenhead to and yeah, so we're here with
EAR Trains 90 frames.
Link in the description as of always, and off camera is co-host as well. It is Hannah's, if you ever want to know. His channel also in the description. Enjoy the video.
Anyway, guys, this is ET95 again. Let me give you a tour of Cookham Station level crossing. So keep crossing clear. This is a big metal pole. Light emitting diodes or LEDs. These are SPX barriers. These are SPX Mark IIs. They're 700 kg plus the weights. There's the barrier. This is the broken alarm. Well, it's not broken. It's just damaged. It's water damaged. This is I think this is first or second rail. It's not third rail. I think it's first or second. SOS box. LEDs. Try not to get run over. White line on the floor. Plus the white lines here. LEDs again. SPX barrier. Normal alarm. Unipart. Keep crossing clear signs. There's this rubber crossing thingy. That way is Bourne End and Marlow, and that way is First Platte and Maidenhead. Unipart again, LEDs. There's a white signal there. There's a treadle somewhere there. There's the exit treadle, and there's one just up there. That's the start. There's 80823 on 37 to Maidenhead, and the other treadle for this crossing is. There's one there, again that's the exit treadle, and then the start treadle is just up the line a little bit. I think it's just at the start of the station. You can roughly see it, but you can't on video. Anyway, that is Cookham. Also, there's a Costa there, which is very useful. Network Rail, please fix the alarm at this crossing.